very blurry. Oh, there it goes. Electricians were working here last week. This is what is left hanging out. Oh my goodness, look at that. This left open. The doors to the elevator door are closed. Okay, that magnet is working. This has happened before. And that magnet is the magnet that holds the door open isn't working. Need to call the front desk. So even if there had been a fire, the doors were closed for the elevator to... Dear Lord. Yep, Extended Stay America on Cornell Road. It's supposed to be very classy, expensive. In Tanasbourne, Hillsboro, Oregon, across the street from the Whole Foods. It's supposed to be very classy. Came here after the other extended stay on 154th. Or was it 158th? I think it was 154th. I couldn't get any reception there due to the targeting. Even the manager went up to my room, gave me his password. Couldn't get any email reception. And the person that was staying in the room below me, running around me in the supermarket. What did management of Extended Stay America at 2 different hotels do about me being targeted? Nothing, just took pay for me staying there and did absolutely nothing to protect me, defend me. Obvious who the targeters were, hired to hack, stalk, track, intruders. Saw somebody that looks a lot like the pictures of my stepmother's family in the room right next to me. My food would be replaced with food that I couldn't eat that made me sick. My supplementation, obviously broken into. My water doubling me over, my food doubling me over, has happened over and over again here and at that place. I asked Extended Stay America for my money back so I could move elsewhere. That said, they said it was never going to happen. I've been told the manager here at this extended stay that was obviously in on it. I have proof in writing of her abusive behavior towards me. They said they wouldn't return my money for paying for a place where most people live normal. I live targeted. They know it. Police say it's not happening. I've sent them proof. And it's happening while I'm on Facebook. It's happening in every single facet of my life. I can't even sleep through the night now without it trying to make me move.